Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of books and reading.
That's right. Books take us on adventures, teach us lessons, and spark imagination.
From fiction to non-fiction, there's always something new to explore.
We'll talk about our favorite books, authors, and what inspires us to read.
So if you love reading or want book recommendations, stay tuned.
Let's open the pages of our reading experiences together.
So Alex, do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I read almost every day. It's my way to relax and learn.
What kind of books do you usually read?
Mostly fiction and self-development books, but I like a mix.
Favorite fiction book recently?
The Midnight Library. It's thought-provoking and emotional.
That's interesting. What's it about?
A woman gets to explore different lives she could have lived.
Do you enjoy thrillers?
Absolutely. I love books that keep me on the edge of my seat.
Favorite thriller author?
Gillian Flynn. Her plots are clever and unexpected.
Any recent non-fiction book you've read?
Yes, Atomic Habits. Really practical and inspiring.
Do you enjoy motivational books?
Yes, they give perspective and encourage growth.
Favorite self-help author?
James Clear. His advice is actionable and easy to apply.
Do you read fantasy novels?
Yes, Harry Potter series is timeless for me.
Favorite character in Harry Potter?
Hermione, smart, brave, and determined.
Have you read classic literature?
Yes, Pride and Prejudice. It's elegant and engaging.
Favorite classic author?
Jane Austen. Witty, insightful, and timeless.
Any recent mystery novels? The Silent Patient, a psychological thriller that surprised me. Favorite mystery author?
Agatha Christie. Her twists are genius.
Do you enjoy reading biography?
Yes, learning from someone's life story is inspiring.
Favorite biography read?
Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. Fascinating insight into creativity.
Any historical fiction lately?
Yes, The Nightingale. Emotional and beautifully written.
Favorite historical fiction author?
Kristen Hanna. She writes with so much heart.
Do you enjoy short stories?
Occasionally, they're perfect for quick reading.
Favorite short story?
The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. Dark and thought-provoking.
Have you read science fiction recently?
Yes, Dune. Epic world building and adventure.
Favorite sci-fi author? Isaac Asimov. Intelligent and visionary. Do you read poetry?
Yes, it's relaxing and thought-provoking.
Favorite poet?
Rumi. Beautiful and spiritual writing.
Any recent fantasy series?
Yes, A Court of Thorns and Roses. Magical and intense.
Favorite character in that series?
Fair, brave, and relatable.
Do you enjoy reading for learning?
Absolutely. Books teach new skills and perspectives.
Favorite educational book?
Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. Mind-opening history of humanity.
Do you read contemporary novels?
Yes, Normal People by Sally Rooney. Realistic and emotional.
Favorite contemporary author?
Sally Rooney. Her writing is simple yet deep.
Any memoirs recently?
Yes, Educated by Tara Westover. Inspiring story of resilience.
Do you enjoy fantasy world building?
Yes, immersive worlds make reading exciting.
Favorite fantasy book series?
Lord of the Rings. Epic and unforgettable.
Have you read books about creativity?
Yes, Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. Inspiring and motivating.
Do you enjoy reading mysteries with a twist ending?
Absolutely. I love guessing the ending.
Favorite mystery twist recently?
Gone Girl. Shocking and brilliant plot.
Any historical non-fiction lately?
Yes, The Wright Brothers. Inspiring story of innovation.
Do you read books in digital format or paper?
Mostly paper. I enjoy the feel of a real book.
Favorite book you own?
To Kill a Mockingbird. Timeless and powerful.
Any fantasy novels you recommend?
Mistborn series. Magic, adventure, and intrigue.
Do you read suspenseful books?
Yes, before I go to sleep. Keeps me hooked.
Favorite suspenseful author?
Lisa Jewell. Clever and gripping.
Have you read romance novels?
Yes, Me Before You. Touching and emotional.
Favorite romance author?
Jojo Moyes writes heartwarming and impactful stories.
Do you enjoy reading young adult novels?
Yes, the Hunger Games series is thrilling.
Favorite character in the Hunger Games?
Katniss, strong, brave, and inspiring.
Any philosophical books recently?
Yes, Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, timeless wisdom.
Do you enjoy reading motivational quotes?
Absolutely, they inspire and give perspective.
Favorite motivational author?
Robin Sharma, practical and inspiring advice.
Have you read books about productivity?
Yes, Deep Work by Cal Newport, excellent guidance.
Do you enjoy reading thrillers with psychological elements?
Yes, Shutter Island, mind-bending and intense.
Favorite psychological thriller author?
Dennis Lehane, smart and unpredictable.
Any historical fantasy novels recently?
Yes, The Night Circus, magical and mysterious.
Favorite fantasy book atmosphere?
Dark, mysterious, and enchanting, perfect blend.
Do you enjoy dystopian novels?
Yes, 1984 and Brave New World, thought-provoking.
Favorite dystopian author?
George Orwell, his vision is timeless.
Have you read epic adventure books?
Yes, The Hobbit, fun, magical, and adventurous.
Favorite adventure character?
Bilbo Baggins, relatable and brave.
Any recent classic novels?
Yes, Great Expectations, timeless storytelling.
Favorite classic character?
PIP, dynamic and interesting.
Do you enjoy reading books about self-discovery?
Yes, The Alchemist, inspiring and meaningful.
Favorite quote from The Alchemist?
Follow your dreams and the universe will guide you.
Have you read books about psychology?
Yes, Thinking, Fast and Slow, very insightful.
Favorite psychology author?
Daniel Kahneman, brilliant and enlightening.
Any fantasy epic series you recommend?
The Wheel of Time, immersive and detailed.
Do you enjoy reading short novellas?
Yes, perfect for quick but meaningful reading.
Favorite novella?
Animal Farm, or short but impactful.
Any recent memoirs that inspired you?
Becoming by Michelle Obama, empowering story.
Do you enjoy books about science?
Yes, Astrophysics for people in a hurry, fascinating and easy to understand.
Favorite science author?
Neil deGrasse Tyson, engaging and informative.
Have you read fantasy novels with strong female leads? Yes, Gracelink, powerful and inspiring protagonist. Favorite female lead character?
Kotsa, smart, brave, and complex.
Do you enjoy reading horror books?
Occasionally, psychological horror is my favorite.
Favorite horror author?
Stephen King, classic and masterful.
Have you read books about business and entrepreneurship?
Yes, The Lean Startup, very practical and insightful.
Favorite business author?
Eric Rice, clear and actionable advice.
Do you enjoy historical biographies?
Yes, Alexander Hamilton, fascinating and detailed.
Favorite historical figure to read about?
Leonardo da Vinci, genius and visionary.
Any recent books about travel or adventure?
Yes, Into the Wild, gripping and thought-provoking.
Favorite adventure book scene?
Crossing the Alaskan wilderness, intense and inspiring.
Do you enjoy reading epic poetry?
Occasionally, beautiful language and rhythm.
Favorite epic poem?
The Odyssey, classic and timeless.
Have you read modern thrillers?
Yes, The Girl on the Train, suspenseful and intriguing.
Favorite thriller plot twist?
The identity reveal at the end, brilliant.
Any recent fantasy short stories?
Yes, Legends of the Hidden Realm, magical and imaginative.
Favorite short fantasy character?
The Young Mage, clever and resourceful.
Do you enjoy historical adventure novels?
Yes, The Book Thief, touching and beautifully written.
Favorite historical adventure author?
Marcus Zusak, poetic and engaging.
Have you read books about philosophy?
Yes, The Republic by Plato, thought-provoking and classic.
Favorite philosophical idea?
Justice and virtue, timeless discussion.
Do you enjoy dystopian fiction?
Yes, The Handmaid's Tale, haunting and powerful.
Favorite dystopian author?
Margaret Atwood, intelligent and gripping.
Any recent books about culture or society?
Yes, Guns, Germs, and Steel, insightful and fascinating.
Favorite cultural analysis book?
Jared Diamond's work, eye-opening and informative.
Do you enjoy reading about spirituality?
Yes, The Power of Now, inspiring and calming.
Favorite spiritual author?
Eckhart Tolle, deep and transformative.
Have you read fantasy novels with political intrigue?
Yes, Game of Thrones, complex and thrilling.
Favorite character in Game of Thrones?
Tyrion Lannister, witty and clever.
Any recent novels about friendship?
Yes, Wonder, heartwarming and touching.
Favorite friendship story?
The bond between Augie and his friends, inspiring.
Do you enjoy reading horror thrillers?
Occasionally, Bird Box was intense and gripping.
Favorite horror thriller element?
Psychological tension makes the story memorable.
Any recent books about leadership?
Yes, Leaders Eat Last, insightful and practical.
Favorite leadership author?
Simon Sinek, clear and motivating.
Have you read books about memory or learning?
Yes, Moonwalking with Einstein, fun and educational.
Favorite memory technique from that book?
The Memory Palace, clever and effective.
Do you enjoy epic historical sagas?
Yes, Shogun A, immersive and detailed.
Favorite epic historical character?
The Samurai Lord, honorable and complex.
Any recent biographies about artists?
Yes, Van Gogh, the life, fascinating and tragic.
Favorite art biography?
Van Gogh, inspiring yet emotional.
Do you enjoy reading thrillers with espionage?
Yes, Tinker, Tailor, Soldier, Spy, clever and tense.
Favorite spy character?
George Smiley, subtle and intelligent.
Have you read fantasy novels with unique magic systems?
Yes, Mistborn, creative and immersive.
Favorite magical ability?
Allomancy, unique and versatile.
Do you enjoy reading essays?
Occasionally, thought-provoking and informative.
Favorite essayist?
George Orwell, insightful and sharp.
And in recent novels about adventure and survival?
Yes, Hatchetty, intense and inspiring.
Favorite survival moment?
The protagonist learning to live in the wilderness, gripping.
Thanks for joining us today. Share your favorite books or authors below. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, books inspire, educate, and transport us to new worlds. See you next time.